How to deposit or withdraw money on the crypto.com app. If you want to deposit or withdraw money on the crypto.com app, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to basically launch the crypto.com app. So first, to deposit money, tap on the transfer option after you log in, and from the bottom just tap the deposit button. After that, you can see the option to deposit crypto or fiat. If you are trying to deposit money, then select the fiat option from here, and here it will ask you to choose a dollar or a currency. Select that and just make sure to choose a payment method, how you want to link your bank account. Then just enter the money that you want to deposit, then tap on next. Then it will confirm that it uses Plate to connect your accounts. So just log into your mobile banking or online banking, whichever you have. After that, you have successfully confirmed it and you have deposited money. Now to withdraw it, however, you have to come back to the crypto.com app, and then you simply have to navigate to the Fiat Wallet section. From the Fiat Wallet section, you want to simply look for the option that says transfer, and when you tap the transfer option, again at the bottom you can say deposit or withdraw. So as we did earlier, again this time you want to tap on the withdraw button, and after you've done that, tap on the withdraw now option, and then you'll be able to withdraw the money to your linked bank account. This way you'll be able to deposit or withdraw money to crypto.com. I hope that this video really helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.